Hey, good afternoon. We are in Creek Ridge Preserve in Lithia, Florida, ready to show you this beautiful home. Take a look at it. It's behind me, built by WestBay, a custom home, 5 bedrooms, 4 bath, over 3,900 square feet. It's got every upgrade you can imagine. Let's go take a look. All right, so let's go take a detailed look at 10469 Meadow Run. This is situated on a corner lot. No neighbor to the left-hand side of you. The entrance is up there a little ways. It's gated. So it's really nice. So you don't have to go through the whole neighborhood. You can just slide right out and then go to your destination. Across the way here is some open land, very private, super nice neighborhood. Nice neighbors. Now look at the outside. Couple things to point out. We're going to do a slower detailed walkthrough. You can see the brick pavers that WestBay does. Now this home has a lot of upgrades. Just know that going into it, not your standard home. The exterior is really nice with the tiled roof. We're going to walk up here and you can see the 3-car garage. Does have a water softener system. It does have a central vacuum, which you'll see in there too. This is on natural gas, which is wonderful. It's a tankless hot water heater. You can see that out there. And then there's not one, but 2 air conditioning systems because you do have a upstairs space, which I'm going to show you that in a moment. Freshly landscaped. This home was built in 2023. Been really well taken care of, and it has so much to offer. When the owner built this, they spared no expense, as you're going to see. So when you first walk in, you'll see the high ceilings. It's got crown molding. This is the separate dining area with double windows. Now these are shutters throughout. And then on the left, this is an ideal office, sitting room, 3 windows, so plenty of natural lighting. And again, you've got crown molding. Love the double glass doors that you can shut for noise, yet see through, so you don't feel like you're too closed off in the room. Now take a look at this. This space is phenomenal. Look how open it is. This kitchen is a chef lover's dream. I'm just going to give you a little bit of an angle on this. The quartz countertops, this is upgraded. Whenever you see quartz countertops, it is one piece. Point that out. With the veins like this, this is high end, really, really high end. Along with all the fixtures, everything is really high end. Take a look at the soft close cabinets, not counters, I'm sorry. I'm still blown away by all this. It's everywhere. The soft close here. It's got a lot of, a couple different mini fridges in specific areas. You can see the lighting. They put both upper and under the cabinets. Plenty of natural lighting up here. The upgraded sink. Now this has the, of course, the gas range, if you will, cooktop. This is the cafe line by General Electric, and this is even an extra large. You can see all the burners. This hood, again, is top of the line, and the GE Café is one of their upper lines on their stainless appliances. So as we move here into the family room, and let me point out this too, the ceramic tile, you can tell the way it's all hand laid is an upgrade too. The wood beam ceilings, speakers up here in the ceiling. This is all custom high-end cabinetry. Electric fireplace. And this piece goes all the way up to the ceiling, and you can see this is where you're kind of hanging out. You know, this is one of your main spaces. Now, This is really nice because it's a triple bedroom split plan. So the primary suite, master bedroom, is right here. And then down the hallway here, you have another bedroom, 2 bedrooms. And then down here, you have another bedroom in the back. So plenty of space to spread out. Double doors, walk into your master bedroom. And you can see the beautiful upgraded fixture they put in here. Trying to be slow so you can see all these details that they've done. And this is another built-in, a little perpendicular to the other, with the TV and all the cabinets. And you've got the upgraded shades, the window treatments. Now wait till you see this master bathroom. It is stunning. Take a look at this. I feel like I'm at Caesar's Palace. I mean, it's just beautiful. The pop with this bathroom. Gorgeous quartz countertops with these sinks, the framed mirrors. You can see it's all really high end. And then and this is again unique. They brought the tile all the way up to the ceiling. So they didn't stop short. No corners cut. And here is your huge walk-in shower. You walk in right here with the stone flooring, which is really pretty. And then you've got the hand shower along the overhead, overlooking this way. Toilet room here. Now, this is really nice because you can step into your double walk-in closet from the master bathroom. Nice and easy. And there's more space that wraps around the other side of this door, more over here, or you can step into it from the master bedroom side. Again, this kind of winds around here too. Okay, so you can get an idea of the size of this big, huge closet. Okay, so we're gonna head out of here now, and we're gonna stay in the front of the home, if you will. So going down the hallway here, and again, we're gonna go in the back and upstairs, but the laundry room is to the right. Big laundry room. Look at the folding table here with all high-end cabinets. Beautiful countertops. Includes the washer dryer. That's an LG. That is their latest model with pedestals. Sink, more cabinets for storage. We're gonna hit that garage in just a minute. I wanna stay in the house. Full bathroom downstairs. Double sinks, framed mirror, and then this has the tub shower combination. And look at the tile on this, the design. So pretty, very well decorated. This home is barely even lived in. Okay, and then it does have a central vac. I mentioned that. If you've never seen one of these before, it's pretty cool. You just you can pull that out, turn it on, and who needs to lug around a vacuum? You got it right there. Full bedroom here. Closet wraps around the right-hand side. Same with this bedroom. This bedroom is about a foot bigger when I measured, a little bit larger. And then here is a walk-in closet. On this one, I don't think I turned my light on, but it is more of a walk-in closet. And then the shutters here. Bedrooms are carpeted right here. And then I want to go into this garage area. Usually don't show off garages, but this one's got some extra features that I wanted to point out. All right, our photographer Brian's here. Say hi, Brian. Here he is. Probably trying to stay out of the way. I told him it's okay. He adds value to the video. So coming in here, the single car garage does have the irrigation system, but I wanted to show you the Culligan water softener system, which has been around for a long time. Culligan has. It's even got the bag ready to go, and then the central vac for the whole home. And by the way, who knew Dirt Devil makes central vacs? I just found that out too. Not only do they do residential products in the store, handhelds, but they also do products like this. So here's a closet behind here too, more storage. So let's go. If you enjoy watching this YouTube channel of home walkthroughs, tips, different strategies for buying and selling property in Central Florida, subscribe to this channel now Also hit the notifications button. Whenever I drop new videos, you'll get notified first so you can take a look at them. So coming out of the laundry room area, I'm going to take you to the rear portion of the home. Again, I do want to stop and just pause and let you look at the backyard view. We'll go out there in just a minute. So this is in the rear of the home. There's a full bedroom back here, a full bathroom. And they're doing a little bit of furniture assembly here. The closet is, in this case, right to the right. And then a full bathroom, which if you ever decide to dig a pool, it'd be a great pool bath. And you can see the pretty countertop here, the design, and then the different touches. Everything has been thought of. And then the shower back here, shower door, the inlet for your shampoo and your soap. Also notice that these are high-end doors. Not just your flat panel doors, but these are upgraded with a different design in there. And they're also taller. Now this back bonus room can be used as a separate sitting area. That's what they did in this case. Put a TV back here. You don't want to watch the same show as somebody in the family room. Come back here, hang a nice big flat screen on that wall and kind of hang out in the back of the home, get some quiet time. And then French doors, which we'll go outside in a minute, that lead into the back area also. So let's take a look upstairs to show you the rest of the home. Here's your thermostat for downstairs, and there is one for the upstairs area, just in case you're not using that. You can always shut that off or turn it up to keep your power bill at a reasonable amount. Heading straight upstairs. All right, in both these doors is your air handler. So we'll keep on going. Take a look at this big, huge room. So nice. Shutters, perfect movie room. You can see the space. This is looking into the front of the house. And then I wanted to show you this too. This is beautiful. It's got a sink area. So this is ideal for beverages, the backsplash, more storage, and there's a mini fridge for your beverage of choice, and even some shelves to keep the look. This is heading downstairs, but first, up here, full bathroom, tub shower combination. Love this tile too. They did great job decorating. And then this bedroom is nice size. Wraps around here. And then your closet doors that way. So let's head back downstairs so I can show you the back of the home. By the way, if you like home tours like this, share this with somebody, subscribe to the channel. Let me know you'd like to see some other home tours, what you're looking for. Comment below with your real estate needs, what you'd like to see done. Always want to add value to your real estate experience. Just notice this is kind of nice. They did some pre-wires up here if you want to hang a TV. Everything is ready. It's got full camera system too, which is beautiful. Now, to show you this backyard is to appreciate it. 1/2 acre actually feels bigger too, because some of this is common area that the HOA will maintain. So probably stops at about here. HOA maintained fence, that's gonna be HOA. You are here. And I'm gonna walk you back here because I want you to, if you're, say you're up north watching this, you're looking for a nice size lot, Fishhawk, Lithia, Brandon, get to Tampa pretty quick. I mean, this is all great area. Goes all the way back here. And then this is their retention, way back here. Look at the size of this lot. Huge. It's got beautiful curb appeal. Next door neighbors look like they've got a pool. This one's just begging for a pool. Maybe you don't want the maintenance. Maybe you'd rather swim in your neighbor's pool. There you go. There's your neighbors. There's their pool. Best friends with those guys, that's your pool. But you can see the size of this one. So I hope you've enjoyed this tour. Would love to tell you more about this neighborhood or any other homes you have questions on. My name is Brian Stevens, eXp Realty. Just remember this, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.